A lot of times exploitation is very complex, and a lot of times family struggle can be family. And vis-a-vis their own relationship with that individual, they may have certain needs of their own, whether they recognize it or not. And because of the vulnerability of that given older person, they can be subject to exploitation. So, and that is by and large the greatest source of this. Some are people who are frank, people who are out to just scam. These are probably more kind of antisocial folks who are made a profession out of scamming people. Many times it's when family is involved because they either have some dependence on this older person and they have an interest, whether they're aware of it or not. Many times they're not aware of it.